Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Our topic today is about the different jobs in French. Do you know the family members in French? Try to match up these now. Now we are going to speak about how to say what is the job of your father or your mother in French. So if you speak about your mother, you have to start with ma mère est, ma mère est, it means my mother is. Or if you speak about the father, you say mon père est, mon père est, it means my father is. And of course it has to be followed by the job noun. In the next slides, we are going to see different types of jobs. So I want you to repeat them after me, please. Okay, this is our first job today, the hairdresser. As you can see, we have two different types of nouns for this job. It depends if it is masculine or feminine, a lady or a man. So for a lady, we say coiffeuse, and for a man, we say coiffeur. Coiffeuse, coiffeur. Of course, most of the time, we have two different types of nouns for the same job. And that's, as I said before, that's because of the masculine and the feminine. But some jobs nouns are the same for masculine and feminine. We will see some of these examples in the next slide. So I want you to look carefully, please, and repeat them after me.
Professeur. Actrice. Acteur. Mécanicienne. Mécanicien. Maçon. Secrétaire. Vendeur. Vendeuse. Médecin. Docteur. Infirmière. Infirmier. Dentiste.
Ingénieur. Cuisinier. Cuisinière. Électricien. Électricienne. Serveur. Serveuse. Au chômage.
Now let's practice. Can you choose the right picture? Now try to find these jobs in this table. Who is doing these tasks? Read the sentences, please, and look below to find out which job is the best one to suit the sentence. This is the end of our lesson today. So there is no activities or work to be submitted by you today or this week. All what I want to do is to review this video several times during the week, and then next week I'm going to send you the crowns so you can do it and submit it to me. Good luck. Au revoir.